Okay, can you try and just to look?
Yeah.
Sleeve, you mean this area?
Yes. Yeah. For example, this one, we can use the sleeve. We cannot use this kind of big hook because it's too big.
This one too big. Oh, this is okay.
Maybe it's okay, but sometimes we use this one. This is also for the sleeve, but the size is bigger. Some. We just try a little bit, but we can also try this. So we just put this. So that's why here is always here. So when we do the sleeve, if we go here, the sleeve here, we cannot go inside. Okay, just we don't use the back, we just try. Yes. It's also we need to find some place to see. Okay, for next shirt, we want to position. It's like this. If like this, the emperor is already in the middle, or if more, so we need to find a place here. And then step up. This hoop, the size is 19 centimeter by 7 centimeter. This is just for sleeve. It's designed for the sleeve.